Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Live Connect. So Live Connect is a widget that stays inside your website and make it a live studio. By making it a live studio, you can go live on your website, promote your products, generate more leads, capture your user feedback and grow your revenue, right? And that too within next 5 minutes with a 3-step process. Okay, so what's the first step, you may ask? The first step is just open your browser and go to liveconnect.handagitech.com. Once you go here, simply either you can do like login with Google or you can sign up with your email address. I'll just login with Google for now. Log into your account. After login is done, this is your dashboard. On this dashboard, second step, create a video campaign. I go here, my first video campaign. When do I want it to start? Immediately. For how long I want it to run? Let's say I want it to run till next 10 minutes, 15 minutes till 11:45. And then I click on create video campaign. Okay. The moment I create this video campaign, step 2 is also over. So just one step is left, that is linking to your website, which we will do after we click on this particular link. So this one is start video campaign. When you click on this, you're already live. As you can see here, you're live. Now it's all about placing this live on your website. How we will do that? Let's go back to the dashboard. Open again liveconnect.handagitech.com. Click on link video campaign. Linking means like putting a live button on your website anywhere where you want. You click here. Let's assume this is your site right now. I just copy this URL, provide the link of the web page, click on generate. This will give a one-time token. 1 second, let me just put my laptop on charging. Really sorry about that. Okay, great. Now coming back here, this is a one-time token. Just click to copy to make sure that the whole process is safe and secure and nobody else can modify your website. You click on open tagging URL, enter this, validate. Once you're verified, you can place your live button anywhere. So for now, let's say I click here. It shows a preview. I love the preview. I know I want to go live here. I click on confirm. Amazing. Yep, it is amazing. Now the thing is, here you are live and now this is your website. Next time a person come to your website, they'll see a live now button without any coding. Yeah, you just click on this live now button and the user will enter their name Abhishek Handa and the email address and enter the room. Nice, right? And you're live on the user website, right? What do you see here? Let's go through this interface once. So these are the social links. This is your social links that you can put on the website here in the contact info. So the user will know what's your Facebook link, what's your Instagram link, if you want them to contact you by phone number or anything else, right? Now coming back here, this is a control. Leave call means they can exit this room. Contact is while looking at your live stream, they have any questions, they have any queries like, hi, is there any discount on this product? Yep. So the moment they send you a text on your live stream, you'll be able to see this red color dot on top of messages icon. Yeah, you click here, you know, okay, Abhishek Handa is asking for a discount. You'll say, yeah, there's a discount coupon, we'll share it with you after this call. Now you may ask, how will I share? The message might be vanished after the call is over. No, it won't. What we will do, we help you to keep a track of your user database, the audience who have joined the live connect, the messages they have given to, dropped you, like, hi, is there any discount by Abhishek Handa? The third thing is more about whenever somebody join your campaign, they automatically gets added to your subscribers list, so you can connect with them later on, right? So that means we help you to create user database to capture the messages, feedback, any questions, and then help you to sell more and more and grow your revenue. Be closer to your users like never before. Now you may ask, okay, what's the next step, right? Maybe you don't want to go live yourself, or you want to go live with an influencer or your colleague, right? Simply just copy this link, share with your colleague. They'll just open it on their side and select the camera, and I'll mute. And amazing, both of you are live talking to yourself. Here you see my mirror image because on both the tabs it's me. But if these are two different browsers, they will be two different people, and the user here will be able to see both the guys, right? So that means you are talking to your colleague, your influencer. It's like a video, live video podcast that you're doing, and then sharing the advantage of the product or the service. Nice. Third step. Now what you want to do, let's say it's a digital product and you want to share your screen. Okay, for now I'll let the other co-host go because it's kind of feeling a bit weird, three of me. Okay, so I close this, I go back here, and let's say it's a digital product. Yeah, I can just simply share my screen, and then the user will be able to see my screen live here, so I can demo the whole product to him, how the product works, and understanding, capture feedback, and things like that, and help them understand more. So this can even be used for your demo purpose, for making the users understand and at the same time capture the feedbacks, right? So now the thing is, let's say you are live here and the live stream is being available on your website. Perfect. Now what's next? The next step is, let's say you want to add some overlays, some extra promotions on this live streaming. Simply go back again to the dashboard. For everything, go to the dashboard. Here you find this button, add or view promotions. Click on that, click on create new promotion, specify some title, okay, specify some description, specify some link, a link where the user will be redirected when they click on the overlay. Yeah, and then attach a photograph. Now from here, let's say I attach this photograph and I click on save. Nice. What happens now? Next time a user join your live stream here and yeah, perfect. What they see is an overlay. You can have multiple overlays, not just one. So in a way, you can actually go live and then promote multiple products, multiple items, multiple courses at the same time, demo multiple items at the same time to the user from your website, from your brand, right? From here the user can just click. It can be a link to a Google form, it can be a payment gateway link, it can be anything that you want, right? Amazing. Nice. Now the next step is, you have gone live. Maybe you have been live for 30 minutes, half an hour, basically like 45 minutes or an hour or X amount of time. Recording is very important because this is the content for your website, this is content for your marketing material. How do you record this thing without having to resort to a third party system or anything? Simply go here, click on start recording. Recording has started. Nice. It's as easy as it is, right? Now what you have to do next is, while the recording is going on, you explain the product, capture, interact with the audience, and then you have the control. Whenever the audience message you, you are the one who's actually able to see and then reply to those messages. You can decide whether you want to answer now, you want to take this message offline later, you can do that. Now let's say if I go back here, I click on stop recording. So when I click on stop recording, recording is done and it is available in this view recordings tab. Yeah, so I muted myself, that's why there's no sound. Otherwise there's sound and everything, which can be, oh sorry, right? So later on what you can do, you can simply use that video either for YouTube, other marketing, as well as it will be auto available at this place once the live timing is over, right? Now coming back, you will say, okay, I don't want this pink color because my website theme is blue or red or something else. We have got you covered there as well, because we want this widget to to appear as in it's part of your website and not some third party tool which is plugged in into you for your users, right? It's your thing. Simply just come here, click on the organization, select any color that you want. Let's say I want to go for blue, or let's say red. I think I like red more than blue. And then click on update the organization. Now the next time a user click, open it, there's red color, right? So the only thing you have to do is to just change the color here, and the widget becomes part of your website. It looks as if it's part of you, not a third party system. Yeah, that's perfect. Contact form, everything is in red now. Now going back, this was live session recordings we have already covered. Now if we go back and we'll just go through the dashboard once more. Yeah, so here is the invite link that you can share with the audience, right? This is start campaign, editing any campaign, messages that actually came in a particular campaign, promotions as in the banners and the overlays, recordings, audience count. Let's say if there are 50 people join the session, 40 people join the session, you will have the complete details and you can extract as a CSV. Beside all these details, there is subscribers information. So every time a person join any of your live session on your website, we will help you to create the mailing list that will help you to interact with them better, update them on the future scenarios, right? And capture as much data and interact and be close with them, right? So that's all about Live Connect, and that's how. So currently we are offering a free demo to everyone, a free trial to everyone, 1 hour of streaming. So just come. Next steps are come to liveconnect.handagitech.com, sign up for a free account, or connect with me. I'll share my details in the description, and then I'll more than happy to help you with the sign up and then get things up and running. Thank you.